Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you're doing well, mentally and physically. We're back in the kitchen and it's almost Easter, which is a weird time because every year it's on a different day. Can someone not just pick a day and have Easter on it? Preferably a Sunday. But today we're going to try doing a hot cross bun slightly differently than it's normally done, and that is in scone form. So hit the jingle. So here we are, look, as always we start with the bowl, and if you've watched making scones with banana milk before, then you'll probably know how to make a scone, or you've probably made scones beforehand. So before we start, I better just put it on a chopping board because we don't want to damage the side, do we? There's the flour. You need 3 tablespoons of caster sugar, or as I've come to learn, in America it's called fine sugar. 2. 3. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 85 grams of butter cubed. And then we have to mix this together with your Dan-Gers, which is what we call hands in this country. Well, some of us. But what you want is to leave the butter. You don't want it really mixed. You want to leave little lumps of butter. I think that'll do. Then you want 1 orange zesty, go. Then you want a couple of tablespoons of cinnamon, go look, some cinnamon, and then we want to mix all that in. And then you wanted to put sultanas in, but I could only find these raisins, and they come in these tiny bags as well, look. I suppose, what's the difference between sultanas and raisins? Are one made from blackcurrants and the other's from grapes? Let's just put that one in. Oh, you don't get many, do you? And then, one last ingredient to make the dough. And we add 175 millilitres of milk. Make a little well in the middle. And there you have it. There you have it, there's your dough, all ready to roll. So let's do that right this instant. And also you flour your hands so it doesn't stick. Look at that. Got the dough. What you're going to do is just roll it out to about 1 inch thick. And if you want to know what 1 inch is, that's 1 inch. From that line to the tip of your finger is always 1 inch. And today we're going to be using my slightly bigger one than I usually use, because hot cross buns are usually quite big. So here they are, look, ready to go in the oven, but you're saying to me, Dan, hot cross buns have got a cross on, hence the name. So now we're going to make the crosses to put on there, which consists of flour and water. So you want to put a bit of plain flour in there, and then you want to mix it until you get like a paste. I think that's about it. Like that, that's what you want. And now we've just got to roll out some crosses. Oh, it's quite hard to get it to stay on now. Right, so here they are, look at those, the crosses on. We're going to put them in the oven, and then hopefully they look as good as that when they come out, if not better. There they are, look at those beauties. The crosses haven't gone quite well, but I mean, look, if you look at them, they still have crosses on, don't they? Except for that one, that was just a ball of dough. But there is one last thing we need to do, and that's get the apricot jam and smother it all over these bad boys. And hopefully, if I do it while they're warm, it'll melt the jam a bit and spread a bit easier. Oh yes. Oh yeah. You don't want a thick layer of jam, just a little bit, just to make it shiny. Right, so there we have it, look, lovely and glazed. Now all you've got to do is try these bad boys, and I can't wait. Oh. So now comes the old taste test. Now, take this one. Look at that. Look at that. Crispy bottoms. Give it a slice. Oh, look at the steaming. Oh. Right. Oh, can't wait. I've got to put a little bit of butter on, and because it's still warm, the butter's going to melt. Here it goes, look. Oh yeah. Ooh. Oh. Soft, fluffy. Oh, just like my ass. No, but seriously, that's nice. And you get lovely sweetness from the fruit. Crunchy bottom. Hit of cinnamon. Oh, what more could you want at Easter? Apart from a truckload of chocolate eggs. And don't get me started on the price of those this year. We'll be here for eternity. So there we go, a twist on a classic, but a good one I think. And maybe try it for yourselves. See if you like it. Maybe try other ingredients, different fruits. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. And I'll see you all soon. Take care of yourselves. Stay safe out there. Look out for one another. Cheery bye.